Happy birthday to Ọhamadike, one of Biafra, MNnamdiKanu. Ofonya neshiri ohani ohanediye. Hello, they say the US, one of Biafra Liberation Army, don't come outside, blast them for giving them compassion to fight Nigeria army that has AK-47 and AK-49. Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to Barabas G's. If today is the first time you are coming across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. Abani Kwezioko. No be small thing, no. The matter where we go for table today. Before we go inside, I beg, I want me you go subscribe to this channel. Very, very important. And at the tech owner, say we don't reach 2,000 subscribers. Thank you so much for that. And if you never subscribe for this channel, may you try go subscribe. Very, very important. Because if you subscribe to this channel, you're going to get them back to back. Once you don't turn on your notification bell, you're going to get our update immediately we upload. You understand? So no doubt. Okay, now I'm going to go look into the matter we will get for hand today. They say one of Biafra Liberation Army don't come outside, blast US. Say the machine where they give them, may they go use fight. Now pump passion. Say right now, say men don't they gara. Say machine where they for market now whether they use. They follow up Nigeria army. Say that one na machine. No be small thing. We will play you the video. May you hear wetin talk from beginning to just watch the video. Calm down, watch the video from beginning to end, and we'll come back and talk more about the video. Stay tuned.
You know, do you imagine on a compassion? Go, you will pay granite, yeah. That is now na bicycle, eh? And it's na free will, na bicycle. Oh yeah, be fena na granite to pump action. E will rubber which on. This is a kind of thing you have been giving men to go and fight Nigeria. Hi, shame on these people, I swear. Shame on these people that call themselves the DOS. Shame on you people. Shame. In a nekwanya if a man who bunaka and keep asa. When you are in the movement, you see machines, different machines. Where we say in Nigeria, they see Nigeria, they ask where these people they carry this kind of thing. They come even to join the movement, go they sweet you because he get machine where they go carry give you guy. Yeah? They don't touch AK-49 before. They don't touch AK-47 before. When you touch steamer, yeah? You touch SMG, yeah? They touch Madison before, yeah? They touch SS before. When you touch this gun, when they tell you, oh, now they can move to go to offer one name because you say you call God. You will AK-47 now and one Tiana rapid. One no one now about me a single. If you like make two they come out, you put them two. Silent one day now fail now. You name me fan a fanya. Eh? You know about when we get stretch, you know back and different because they know sabi shoot. You know how so high as only even no hands say how they shoot, but you see something where they far or Ghana we better. They know they carry that one na normal na legit. If you come you collect. Or something no na anywhere where you dey, Oga will bring you down. You know attack you brew pump passion. Pump be eji emebo okay keji agba okay keji pump agba ndị na-aga nta bi okay keji pump agba igi were pump nye m ka nga wee gbagbo mmadụ nga wee gbagbo onye bụ AK-49 onye bụ Chamberlain ki ị na-ebunye m pump ka m bịa gbagbo ọgwọ gị ọ ga-awụ gị n'alụ got ije. Before they make check up boom. 20 bullets I will go now. Once can now go. In pump come go away now. Pump can now go. Ozilezi. Ozilezi can najo. You know they see what men they carry for hand. You know they see what men they carry for hand. It is say now that thing with they carry they bring Nigeria now pump with they carry they bring Nigeria down. That be pump. What do they use pump they do? Pump now if you want to destroy their car, you go put them boom. That one normal. You know they even catch fire like if they get for see they get for 7 or nah can the mama. If they give person Mark 4, yeah, that one normal thing. Mark 4 now be the powerful gun where you be say me pass AK-47 sir. Me pass AK-49. Because that one if they bring you go carry you up like 4 feet. Carry you up like this, knock you for ground, boom. You know they go anywhere. Now there you go land. You go to carry pump they give make a go they shoot somebody where carry almost 10 magazine where you know they share. You go say Simon they do this and that Simon. If not because of Simon today, by this time we have like bachago so seen here seen poro we in the pump him kanga anwo. Oh we go to na agwo. Ile tinye ndogi na risk. Abako na nye pump bi shi no granite serve na acho granite acho. Kita granite di kamiri iga chite mmiri kute granite oti. Granite carry boy. Material di. Yeji akwa di. Ojure eju everywhere. If you come you collect your own, the way you go take sew your clothes. Normal. Huh? Oh they not come no to. Oh we fe me. If you come na ebu machine buri onye obla ni etimpu ni oh they not come no to. See waiting I pass through that time I no go pass am again. Show you guys. I no pass am again now. So my people, if I there man.
Hello my wonderful people here. Highly welcome back. As I've watched that video, this one is going to be a quick update. No be smart, you know, as you don't hear them say US they give them compassion, may they use them go they fight people will carry AK-47 and people will carry AK-49, and they talk so many things in this particular video. I hope say you watch them from beginning to end. So you know say here we will bring you update, we still leave you, may you contribute proof for the update. If you anything where this guy talk for this particular video, say you get anything to talk about, I beg may not forget to leave am for comment section so that we will know what you think concerning this particular video where you don't watch right now. You know say this life it good. If you want eat, you eat the one way fat, so that if they call you say now you eat, you gonna say you now you eat. Because Nigeria government now no they ready to relate, they know they ready to live within the they can for British. You understand? So Biafra, only my advice if you give to Biafra people now be say una no go fit get this freedom by peace as una think. Must go, there must be a heavy battle before these people go fit even listen. So okay, more talk. And our advise those who are entitled to take this thing to north, take them to other places, because if you they do it for your side alone, you go they destroy your land though. You know they affect the government. Anything will affect the government. Now be waiting go made them to listen to now. So the Biafrans have to wake up. Then they have to wake up from this. They are sleeping. Because they are sleeping too much. This your sleeping too much will not bring Biafra. As those men now don't come outside say they want to fight for Biafra Liberation Army, give them your full support. And the Igbo leader have to wake up from their sleeping and make sure that MNnamdiKanu is released. Because MNnamdiKanu in this picture is going to make a great Biafra, but him not in this picture. When you still realize it will be guns. There will be made of guns everywhere, because somebody must talk where people will hear. So now so Blabajis get them to talk today. Abeg, may you no forget to share this video and leave your own contribution. What do you think? One no. If you get your own agreement wey you wan still make, leave am one no. Okay, thank you and see you in the next update.